Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
Lónìí a ó ní à ń tẹ̀síwájú lórí álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá, ṣùgbọ́n ìtẹ̀síwájú wa lọ sórí syllable. We call it syllable. Syllable. Then the syllable in Yoruba language. Syllable. When we say syllable, that is the mixture of consonants and the vowel sound. Tí a pè ní àpapọ̀ kọ́nsọ́náǹtì, àpapọ̀ kọ́nsọ́náǹtì àti fáwẹ́lì. Àpapọ̀ kọ́nsọ́náǹtì àti fáwẹ́lì, consonant plus vowel, kọ́nsọ́náǹtì, fáwẹ́lì. Then you add the two together, it will give you syllable, which is one syllable. And we have one syllable, two syllable, three syllable, and so on. Tí a pè ní syllable kan, syllable méjì, syllable mẹ́ta. Kí wá ni syllable? Syllable jẹ́ ègé ọ̀rọ̀, that is the one you can divide a bit by bit. Then you have the two together, which is consonant and vowel. A pè ní konsonanti ati faweli. Kí wá ni konsonanti? Ká sọ pé àpẹẹrẹ. Àpẹẹrẹ. What is the meaning of àpẹẹrẹ? Examples. Àpẹẹrẹ, examples of consonants plus vowel. That's what we call syllable. Now, kí wá ni àpẹẹrẹ? We have to make the two vowel the other time that I taught you. Fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè àti fáwẹ́lì àránmúpè. But the first one, we go for the first vowel that I told you that when you call it, your throat will be cleared. So that is what we are going for now. Kí wá ni àpẹẹrẹ yẹn? Ó ní pé a fẹ́ fa ìlà. I want to draw a line for more clear, so that I'll be able to clear for to you. Now this one is a consonant. We call it consonants. You will now draw a line like this. We have to make a line like this, like this. So this one will be consonants, and this one will be vowel. Tá a pè ní fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè. Àìránmúpè. So consonants. Let me write it very well. Like this, consonants, consonanti. So I will make some examples. What are the examples of consonants letter? Like the other time I said B, D, F, G, B. Hi, chi, ki, li, ni, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, wi, ji. So this one I said a, e, I, o, u. That I said is 7. So I want to make some examples here. What are the examples of consonant letters? Let me start from B. Letter B. This is B. You make it like timetable. So this one is, what are the examples here? Can you see that I've already write faweli now? So look at it. So I want to make a line like this again. Let me write this one. e, I, O, U. There are 7. I want to clean this one. I will write it down. This is B. This is consonant. This is B. You now write B. You take one here out of this vowel. Faweli. This is consonants. You now write B, A. You want to call it together. The BA will be B plus A. Let's see. B, A. You want to call it together. Ba. You know this one is A. Ba. Ba. This is B. You see it now like this. B, A, B plus A. This one is consonants. This one is vowel. Konsonanti plus faweli. But I don't want to put it so that it will not confuse you. Now look at it. Oh yeah, you call it together. It will give you ba. B plus A. Ba. Now we want to use it again. B. This one. Which this one plus A. B plus A. B. B. You let the sound go like the one you call it. A. A. You know I didn't say he. I didn't say A. I say A. B. B. A. B. Now this one is E. We call this one E. Then it should be B plus E. Can you see it? B. B. B plus E. B. You know I didn't say B. Let that sound match the letter you are calling out.